Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve the examples in problem set third. In the previous video we solved the first question of this problem set third from the chapter circle of maths paper second. Now we are going to solve the examples in this problem set from question number 2 to onwards. See, the question number 2 is line L touches a circle with center O at point P. So in figure, if radius of the circle is 9 centimeter, answer the following. First, what is the distance OP and why? Second, if distance OQ is 8 centimeter, where does the point Q lies? And third, if distance OQ equals to 15 centimeter, then how many locations of point Q are on the line L? At what distance will each of them be from the point P? Here the figure is given. In this figure, line L touches circle with center O at point P. It means point P is the point of contact. Here the radius of the circle is 9 centimeter. And we have to answer these questions. First we have to find the distance OP. Here point P is the point of contact of line L and the circle. That is, point P lies on the circle. Therefore, distance OP equals to the radius of the circle, and therefore distance OP equals to 9 centimeter because radius is given here. So first we find the distance OP. Here line L touches the circle at point P, having center of the circle O, and therefore, and that is point P is the point of contact, and therefore distance OP equals to radius of the circle, and therefore distance OP equals to 9 centimeter because r equals to radius equals to 9 centimeter is given. हे इथं आपल्याला सेकंड क्वेश्चन आहे वाय, तर हे वायचं आन्सर आहे. कशामुळे तर ते अगोदर आपण लिहिलेलं आहे. अँड देन वी राईट द डिस्टन्स ओपी. नाव डिस्टन्स OQ equals to 8 centimeter. Here it is given, and we have to find where does the point Q lies. Here radius of the circle is 9 centimeter, and distance of the point Q from the center is less than the radius. That is, or therefore this point Q must lie in the interior portion of the circle. So here we write here distance OQ equals to 8, that is, and therefore distance OQ is less than the radius of the circle, and therefore point Q lies in the interior of the circle. Now the third sub question is, if distance OQ equals to 15 centimeter, आता क्यूचा डिस्टन्स पॉइंट ओ पासूनचं म्हणजे सेंटर पासूनचं 15 सेंटीमीटर दिलेला आहे. हाऊ मेनी लोकेशन्स ऑफ पॉइंट क्यू आर ऑन द लाईन एल. लाईन एल वर या पॉइंट क्यूचे किती लोकेशन्स असतील, म्हणजे किती ठिकाणी तो असू शकेल. अँड ॲट व्हॉट डिस्टन्स विल ईच ऑफ देम बी फ्रॉम पॉइंट पी. हिअर पॉइंट क्यू इज ॲट अ डिस्टन्स 15 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ओ. So there are two locations of the point Q on the line L, because it is either on the left side of the point P or it is on the right side of the point P. म्हणजे पॉइंट P च्या लेफ्ट साईडलाही असू शकेल किंवा लेफ्ट साईडला असू शकेल किंवा राईट साईडलाही असू शकेल, म्हणजे याचे दोन लोकेशन्स असू शकतील. त्यानंतर आपल्याला या पॉइंट P पासूनचं त्याचं डिस्टन्स फाइंड करायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपण इथं फिगर ड्रॉ करूया. तर दोन ठिकाणी आपल्याला हा पॉइंट क्यू दाखवायचा आहे या लाईन एलवर. इथे घेऊया, सेम डिस्टन्सवर दाखवू फिगरमध्ये सुद्धा. हे कन्स्ट्रक्शन वगैरे इथं काढण्याची आवश्यकता नाही, फक्त आपल्या लक्षात यावं की नेमकं कुठं कुठं असेल आणि तो कसा नेमकं डिस्टन्स फाइंड करायचे पॉईंट पी पासूनचं ते आपल्याला फाइंड करायचे. OQ equals to 15 centimeter. Here OP is the radius which equals to 9 centimeter. This one is 15 centimeter. We have to find this distance of point Q from the point P. Here OP is perpendicular to PQ. Why? By tangent theorem, because this is the tangent and point P is the point of contact. We know that this tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact by tangent theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find distance PQ. See, there are, first we write the locations of the point Q. There are two locations of point Q are on the line here, which are at the left side and at right side of point P on the line L. Here seg OP perpendicular line PQ. The reason is tangent theorem. Here and therefore आपण Pythagoras theorem घेऊया. OP square plus PQ square equals to OQ square. And this is Pythagoras theorem. And therefore OP square 9 square, PQ square, PQ find करायचा आहे, OQ square 15 square. Therefore PQ square equals to 15 square 225. हे प्लस आहे, साइड चेंज केल्यावर मायनस होईल. 9 square 81. 5 minus 1 4. 12 minus 8 4. This 1. Therefore PQ square equals to 144, and therefore PQ equals to 12 centimeter. Therefore the answer of this question is at what distance will each of them will be from point P. So it is at a distance 12 centimeter from the point P. So here we write the answer. Point Q is at a distance of 12 centimeter from the point P. Here we solve all these three sub questions of question number 2. Now next question is question number 3. In figure, M is the center of the circle and segment KL is a tangent segment. If MK equals to 12, KL equals to 6 root 3, then find the radius of the circle and measures of the angle K and angle M. अगोदर आपल्याला रेडियस फाइंड करायचं म्हणजे ML ची लेंथ फाइंड करायची आहे. त्यासाठी आपल्याला अगोदर हे सांगावं लागेल की here KL is the tangent segment and ML is the radius through the point of contact. Therefore ML perpendicular to say KL by tangent theorem, and by using Pythagoras theorem we can easily find length of ML, that is the radius of the circle, and then by using these three sides we can find the measures of angle K and angle M. See here segment KL is a tangent segment, and segment ML is the radius through the point of contact, and therefore seg ML perpendicular to seg KL by tangent theorem, because radius is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. Now it is a right angle triangle, so in triangle MLK, angle MLK equals to 90 degree, and therefore this ML square plus LK square equals to MK square. This is Pythagoras theorem, see in figure. And now put the values. ML find करायचं आपल्याला, LK it is 6 root 3 bracket square, MK 12, and therefore this ML square equals to 12 square 144 minus root 3 square 3, 6 square 36, 36 into 3, that is 108, and therefore ML square equals to 144 minus 108 equals to 36, and therefore ML equals to 6 centimeter, and that is, or therefore the radius of the circle equals to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the measures of angle K and angle M. Here this is 6 centimeter. In this triangle, angle MLK equals to 90 degree, and ML is half to the hypotenuse, because ML equals to 6 and MK equals to 12. And by using the property of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, we know that the side opposite to 30 degree is half to the hypotenuse. Therefore, the angle opposite to this side, which is half to the hypotenuse, is equals to 30 degree, and the remaining angle is 60 degree, because the two angles are 90 degree and 30 degree, so the remaining angle is 60 degree. In this way we can find the measure of angle K and angle M. First we find the measure of angle K. Now in triangle MLK, angle MLK equals to 90 degree, then MK upon ML equals to, काही आपण ML upon MK घेऊया, म्हणजे 1/2 येईल. ML upon MK equals to 6/12. Therefore ML upon MK equals to 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, and therefore ML equals to 1/2 MK. आता 90 डिग्रीचा अँगल आहे याच्यामध्ये ट्रायंगल MLK मध्ये, म्हणजे it is a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle this one side is half to the hypotenuse MK, and therefore measure of angle K equals to 30 degree. Property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle, and the measure of angle M equals to 60 degree. This is the remaining angle of triangle, किंवा angles and property of triangle न पण आपल्याला angle M चे measure find करता येतं. Here in this way we find the answers of both these two sub questions in question number 3. Now the next question is question number 4. In figure, point O is the center of the circle. Segment AB, segment AC are the tangent segments. Then radius of the circle is r, and length of AB equals to r. And prove that quadrilateral ABOC is a square. By using this given information, we have to prove that it is a square. तर इथं आपल्याला गिवन, टू प्रूव्ह आणि प्रूफ या तिन्ही स्टेपमध्ये हे लिहायचं आहे. गिवन मध्ये हे लिहा, टू प्रूव्ह मध्ये इथं लिहितो मी टू प्रूव्ह quadrilateral ABOC is a square. Then we write the proof. अगोदर फिगरवरून आपण हे अंडरस्टँड करून घेऊया. Here segment AB and segment AC are the tangent segments from a point which is in the exterior portion of the circle to the same circle. These are the tangent segments drawn from the point A to the same circle. So this segment AB equals to segment AC by tangent segment theorem. Now this OB equals to OC, radius of same circle. But here it is given that length of AB equals to length of, that is length of AB equals to the radius, that is R. Therefore, all the sides of this quadrilateral are of equal length, which equals to R, and therefore it is a rhombus. त्यामुळे हा rhombus होईल. Now, segment AB is the tangent and OB is the radius through the point of contact. Therefore, this angle OBA equals to 90 degree. किंवा आपल्याला हा पण अँगल दाखवता येईल. दोन्हीपैकी कुठलाही एक अँगल आपण दाखवूया. Now, here first we prove that this quadrilateral ABOC is a rhombus. Now we prove that one of the angle of this rhombus is 90 degree, and we know that if one angle of a rhombus is right 90 degree or right angle, then it is a square. कारण एक 90 डिग्री असेल तर याचे सर्व अँगल 90 डिग्री आहेत हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करता येतं. कसं पहा, here opposite angles of rhombus are congruent, then adjacent angles are supplementary. म्हणजे एक अँगलवरून आपल्याला हे सर्व अँगल्स 90 डिग्री आहेत हे प्रूव्ह करता येतात. त्यामुळं रोम्बस जेव्हा असेल किंवा जेव्हा दिलेला क्वाड्रिलॅटरल रोम्बस असेल आणि त्या रोम्बसमध्ये कुठलाही एक अँगल जर 90 डिग्री असेल, then it is a square. Now here we write the proof. Here segment AB and segment AC are the tangent segments to the same circle from point A, and therefore seg AB equals to seg AC. Congruent लेता येईल. Tangent segment theorem. Idea number 1. Here seg OB equals to seg OC. Why? Radii of same circle. And it is given that length of AB equals to R. Here seg AB, length of AB असंच लिहूया, equals to R. It is given, and therefore from first, second and third segment AB equals to segment AC equals to segment OB equals to segment OC. Here all these four sides of this quadrilateral ABOC are of equal in length, and therefore quadrilateral ABOC is a rhombus. ह्याला नंबर देऊया पुढचं नेक्स्ट 4. Now segment AB is a tangent segment and seg OB is the radius through the point of contact. So in figure, and therefore seg OB perpendicular to seg AB, a reason tangent theorem. And as this OB perpendicular to AB, then therefore angle OBA equals to 90 degree. Number 5. आपण equation 4 मध्ये प्रूव्ह केलं की quadrilateral ABOC is a rhombus. Then in equation 5 here we prove that angle OBA is a right angle. It means that from 4 and 5 one angle of a rhombus is 90 degree, and that's why from 4 and 5 this quadrilateral ABOC is a square. Then from 4 and 5th quadrilateral ABOC is a square. And हेच आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. So here we write hence proved. Here we prove that by using the given information quadrilateral ABOC is a square. त्यासाठी आपण अगोदर हा quadrilateral ABOC स्क्वेअर रोम्बस आहे प्रूव्ह केलं, आणि त्यानंतर त्याचा एक अँगल 90 डिग्री आहे हे प्रूव्ह केलं. And we know that if one angle of a rhombus is 90 degree, then it is a square. In this way, we prove that this quadrilateral ABOC is a square. Now, the next question is question number 5. In figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. It circumscribes the circle with center T. Circumscribe means the circle touches all these four sides of this quadrilateral of this parallelogram ABCD. Then prove that, sorry, point EFGH, see, EFGH are the touching points, and if AE equals to 4.5, EB equals to 5.5, then we have to find the length of AD. आपल्याला AD ची लेंथ फाइंड करायची आहे. आता प्रॉब्लेम सेट मध्ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मधला MCQ मधला थर्ड सब क्वेश्चन होता पहा, की त्याच्यामध्ये हे दिलेलं होतं की द पॅरलोग्राम the circle of the circle touches all the sides of the parallelogram from inside, then that parallelogram must be a, आणि नंतर ऑप्शन होते पहा स्क्वेअर, रेक्टँगल, रोम्बस आणि ट्रॅपेझियम. मग त्यामध्ये आपण तिथं तो रोम्बस असला पाहिजे हे प्रूव्ह केलेलं होतं. मात्र काही जणांना तो क्वेश्चन समजलेला नव्हता. तर यामध्ये आता हा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व्ह करत असताना तुम्हाला त्याचा आन्सर 100% मिळेल. म्हणजे नेमका हा रोम्बस कसा तयार होतो ते तुम्हाला या एक्झाम्पल वरनं सुद्धा ते चांगलं कळेल. हिअर सेगमेंट AE equals to segment AH. Why? These are the tangent segments. So AH equals to 4.5. Similarly, BE equals to BF. Therefore, this BF equals to 5.5. Now DH equals to DG. Say it equals to X, and CG equals to CF. Let it equals to Y. Then here quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and we know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent or equal in length. Therefore AB equals to DC, but DC equals to DG plus GC. Therefore DG plus GC, that is X plus Y, equals to 4.5 plus 5.5, that is equals to 10. म्हणजे x plus y equals to 10 हे आपल्याला पहिलं इक्वेशन मिळेल. Then this AD equals to BC. These are also the opposite sides of parallelogram. Then by using this we got the second equation, and by solving these two equations we can easily find the length of AD. Here segment AH equals to segment AE, tangent segments, and therefore AH equals to AE equals to 4.5. number 1. Similarly, seg BE equals to seg BF. These are also the tangent segments, and therefore this BE equals to BF equals to 5.5. सिमिलरली तर आपल्याला हे रिझन लिहिण्याची आवश्यकता पडणार नाही. this DH equals to say DG, and then let this DH equals to DG equals to X, याला number देऊया 3, and then and CG equals to say CF, because these are also the tangent segment, आपण इथं similar लिहिलेला आहे. Then let CG equals to CF equals to दूसरा letter घेऊया आपण Y. Now we know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent or equal in length, and therefore this DC equals to AB and AD equals to BC. AD equals to BC, but DC equals to DG plus GC equals to, here AB equals to AE plus EB. Reason लिहूया D dash G dash C and A dash E dash B, and therefore here DG equals to X and GC equals to Y, that is equals to 4.5 plus 5.5, and therefore X plus Y equals to 10. याला number दिया next. This is fifth number. Now this AD equals to, see in figure, AH plus HD equals to BC equals to BF plus FC. Reason लिहूया A dash H dash D and B dash F dash C. This is the betweenness relation. Point H is in between A and D. A, H, D are collinear and point H is in between A and D. And therefore here AH equals to 4.5, HD equals to X, BF equals to 5.5, CF equals to or FC equals to Y, and therefore this X plus Y side change केल्यावर minus Y होईल, this 5.5 plus 4.5 आहे, side change केल्यावर minus 4.5 होईल, therefore X minus Y equals to 1. Here we got this next equation, the sixth equation. हे fifth आहे, म्हणजे पुढचा number हा sixth आहे. Now by solving these two equations, here x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 1, here we got the linear equations in two variable. Then by adding these two equations we can easily eliminate this y. So adding equation fifth and sixth, this x plus y equals to 10 plus x minus y equals to 1, this plus y minus y get cancelled, then x plus x 2x equals to, here 10 plus 1 equals to 11, and therefore this 2x equals to 11, therefore x equals to 11 upon 2, and therefore x equals to 5.5. Here we find the length of x equals to 5.5. Now we have to find the length of AD. Here length of AD equals to AH plus HD. तर इथं फक्त आपल्याला x चीच व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे होती, y ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आवश्यकता नाही. मग AD equals to this AH plus HD, that is 4.5 plus 5.5 equals to 10. Now this AD equals to AH plus HD, because A dash H dash D, that is equals to 4.5 plus EX, that is equals to 4.5 plus 5.5 equals to 10, and therefore AD equals to 10. AD ची व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड केली 10. जरी BC ची फाइंड करा म्हणून सांगितलं असतं तर AD equals to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram, therefore BC equals to 10. Here AB equals to also 10, CD equals to 10. It means that this quadrilateral, all the sides of this quadrilateral or the parallelogram are equal in length. Therefore this is a, we can definitely say that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. हा rhombus आहे हे आपल्याला निश्चितपणे सांगता येईल. म्हणून तो MCQ मधला जो क्वेश्चन थर्ड होता तिथं हा रोम्बस म्हणून आपल्याला ऑप्शन डेफिनेटली लिहिता येतं. मग स्क्वेअर हा सुद्धा रोम्बस असतो, पण त्याचा अँगल 90 डिग्री असला पाहिजे आणि तिथं दिलेल्या इन्फॉर्मेशनवरनं आपण त्या अँगलच्या बाबतीमध्ये कुठलंही स्टेटमेंट करू शकत नाही डेफिनेटली. त्यामुळे तो स्क्वेअर आहे किंवा नाही हे आपल्याला सांगता येत नाही, बट वी कॅन डेफिनेटली से दॅट quadrilateral which circumscribes the circle and it is a parallelogram, then it is a rhombus. जर तो पॅरलोग्राम त्या सर्कलला सर्कमस्क्राईब करत असेल तर दॅट क्वाड्रिलॅटरल मस्ट बी द रोम्बस. म्हणजे तिथं राहिलेली जे काही म्हणजे शंका असेल, काही विद्यार्थ्यांचे मेसेज मला आले होते, तर तिथं राहिलेली शंका इथं ती क्लिअर झालेली आहे.